Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today's episode is about something simple, but very important. How to introduce yourself in English. We'll go slow. We'll speak softly. And we'll explore different ways to say who you are. With calm confidence, not pressure. Let's begin. Why introducing yourself matters. Every friendship, every connection, starts with a few words. Hi, my name is. It sounds simple, but it's a big moment. Introducing yourself is more than sharing your name. It's how you say, I'm open. I'm here. I'd like to meet you. It doesn't matter where you're from, or how strong your English is. When you share something about yourself, you invite someone in. You start small, but that small start can lead to big things. So today, let's practice how to begin. Not just with words, but with warmth. The basic structure. Here's a soft, simple way to introduce yourself. Step 1, say hello. Step 2, say your name. Step 3, share one small thing about you. That's it. Just 3 steps. Let's hear some examples. Hi, I'm David. I'm from Canada. Hello, my name is Leanne. I work in a flower shop. Hi, I'm Amira. I love photography. You see? Short, clear, real. You don't have to say everything. You don't need a long list. One small detail is enough. Let's talk about the small thing you can share. Here are some ideas. Where you're from. I'm from Korea. I grew up in Brazil. What you do. I'm a nurse. I work in a coffee shop. I'm a student. Something you enjoy. I love dancing. I enjoy reading. I'm really into movies. Something personal. I just moved here last month. I'm learning English to study abroad. I have 2 younger brothers. You can choose what feels right to you. You don't have to share everything. Just one thing to start. Real-life examples. Let's listen to some real introductions. Calm, friendly, and clear. Example 1. Hi, I'm Alex. I work in a bookstore. Nice to meet you. Example 2. Hello, I'm May. I'm from Taiwan. I just moved here. Example 3. Hi, I'm Leo. I really enjoy music. What about you? Each one is natural. And notice the rhythm. They speak slowly, with a kind voice. You can say, Hi, I'm Daniel. I love to cook. Or, Hello, I'm Amina. I'm from Morocco. You don't have to sound perfect. You just have to sound like you. Want to add a question? That's a great way to keep the conversation going. Try. What about you? Where are you from? Do you like music too? A soft question invites a soft reply. If you feel nervous, let's pause for a moment. Have you ever felt afraid to speak? Afraid to say your name in English? Afraid you might forget the words or say them wrong? That feeling, the nervous heart, the tight chest, that's not just you. That's human. And you are not alone. Even native speakers get nervous in new situations. Everyone feels shy sometimes, especially when we want to make a good impression. Now let's be honest. Introducing yourself is a vulnerable moment. You are showing up. You are being seen. And that can feel scary. But here's something important to remember. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be present. Most people, they're not waiting to catch your mistake. They're not listening for perfect grammar. They're listening for kindness, for connection, for the feeling behind your words. You might say something simple like, "Hi, I'm still learning English." And that, all by itself, can be enough. You don't need long sentences. You don't need big words. Start with a smile. Start with breath. Start with one kind sentence. And if your voice shakes a little, that's okay. That just means you're doing something brave. Here are some soft phrases you can use if you feel nervous. I'm still learning, but I'd love to try. Sorry, my English is not perfect, but I want to introduce myself. I feel a little shy, but my name is. When you say things like this, you are not showing weakness. You are showing courage. And people feel that. They respect that. So take your time. Speak slowly. Let each word come out gently. There's no need to rush. And if someone doesn't understand, you can try again. Or smile. Or simply say, "I'll keep practicing." That's more than enough. Every time you introduce yourself, you are growing. It might not feel like a big step, but it is. You are becoming more confident, more open, more free. So yes, you might feel nervous. But that's not the end of the story. That's the beginning. And every time you speak, the fear gets smaller, and your voice gets stronger. Step by step, word by word. You've got this. What if you're shy? Some people feel shy. They don't like speaking first. That's okay too. You can practice in smaller ways. Say hello to someone in the elevator. Introduce yourself to a classmate. Or even just practice in front of the mirror. Say, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Chile." Or, "Hello, I'm Amir. I just started learning English." Let the words feel comfortable in your mouth. Let them feel like yours. Even saying one sentence in English is progress. You can also write your introduction down. Carry it in your bag. Look at it when you need it. The more you practice, the less scary it feels. And one day, you'll say it without thinking. Naturally. Softly. Kindly. Final thoughts. So the next time someone says, "What's your name?" or Tell me about yourself. You can say something like, "Hi, I'm Clara. I'm from France, and I love baking." Or, "Hello, I'm Hassan. I'm learning English so I can study abroad." Or even, "Hi, I'm Emma. I just moved here last month." These are real sentences from real people in real conversations. And now they're yours too. You can take them, adapt them, and speak them in your own way. You don't have to impress. You just have to be present. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.